Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget in 2026 so that you can trade crypto directly from your charts. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, simply come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, before moving further, if you are looking for the TradingView premium subscription discounts, look no further because the biggest sale of the year is here. On the Black Friday deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month free. So if you are interested in this deal, make sure you check out the link in the description. Now get back to the topic. Over here on this page, click on the option of products. Then it is going to open the chart in front of you. If you want to convert it to any other cryptocurrency charts, you can click on the watch list icon here on the top right hand corner, then select your cryptocurrency. Now over here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now you just have to use the search bar here on the top right hand corner. Then you need to look for Bitget. As you can see, the Bitget broker is available here. When you click on it, it is going to ask you to provide your API key and provide your passphrase. So you need to provide both of these details over here. Then click on the option of connect. Now it may also ask for the password and your email, and it may also ask for the 2FA confirmations. So make sure that you do that, and once the connection is established successfully, you will see all of your data here in the trading panel itself. So with the help of it, once you have successfully connected Bitget with it, you will be able to use the buy and the sell options over here on the top left hand corner, and you will be able to place your orders basically here in TradingView. Now if for any reason you don't see the Bitget icon over here, it simply means that TradingView hasn't rolled out support for your region yet. So in that case, you can still use Bitget on its own platform, but you won't be able to trade from TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.